Very good morning to all of you. Today you will learn how to perform any logic design circuit, or you can say combinational circuit in breadboard. Okay, this is your breadboard. There are 8 switches. This means 0 and this means 1. This is 0 and this is 1, and this is regulated power supply. This is your 5 volt and this is ground. Okay, and this is your breadboard, and you can see the slot is in this side. It means bottom of this from left hand side. This pin is 1. This pin is 1. Okay, and this is pin number 7, this is pin number 8, and this is pin number 14. And you have to remember, to operate any IC you need regulated power supply. For this, pin number 14 is connected to plus 5 volt and pin number 7 is connected to ground. This is plus 5 volt and ground, and these are 8-bit LED display through which you can see the result. These are the actually outputs. Okay, if this LED glows, it means output is high. If does not glow, it means output is 0. And now this is the IC of 7408, means this is the IC of AND gate. You can see this is the IC of AND gate, and this is your AND gate. Okay, you can see here AND gate. There are total 14 pin. Pin number 1 and pin number 2 are designated for inputs and 3 for outputs. Similarly, pin number 4 and 5 are inputs and 6 is output. Pin number 7, it is ground. Okay, similarly, pin number 13 and 12, this inputs, 11 output, 10 and 9 inputs, 8 output. Means in one IC there are 4 AND gate, and just like AND gate, there is IC number 7432 for OR gate, for XOR 7486. This is your 7486. Okay, and this one is your NAND gate 7400. The structure of all pins are same. In case of NOT gate, it has 6 NOT gate. So that's why it is also called hex inverter. The IC for NOT gate is 7404, and in this pin number 1 is input, 2 is output. Similarly, 3 input, 4 output, 5 input, 6 output, and last one is your NOR gate. Okay, in NOR gate, the direction of inputs and output are reversed. In this, pin number 1 is for output and 2 or 3 for inputs. Similarly, pin number 4 output, 5 and 6 inputs. Okay, now we will see how to perform these logic gate operations. This is your IC. Okay, now connect plus 5 volt to pin number 14, and you have to remember these are vertically short. Either you can connect here or here or here. Now pin number 7 is connected to ground. This is pin number 7, this is your ground, 0 volt. Now we will give input, 2 input, pin number 1 and pin number 2, pin number 1 and pin number 2. Okay, pin number 1 and pin number 2, and output we will give, this is your output at pin number 3. Okay, this is your pin number 3. Okay, you can see here pin number 1 and 2 are input and pin number 3 is output. Now open the power. Now we will verify the truth table. First, this is 0 0. 0 0 means output is 0, bulb is not glowing. Okay, next 0 1, again output will be 0, so it is not glowing. Next 1 0, okay, again bulb is not glowing, or you can say LED. Now 1 1, yes, now you can see in 1 1 bulb is glowing, means output is high. This is your complete circuit. At pin number 1 and 2 there are inputs, and from pin number 3 you are giving output. You can also use pin number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now rest of the IC OR, XOR and NAND are similar. Now we will see NOT gate. Okay, in NOT gate, you know, there is only one input and only one output. So pin number 1 for input and pin number 2 for output. Now this is the IC of your NOT gate. Okay, again give plus 5 volt to pin number 14. Yes, we have given. Now ground is connected pin number 7, and now input is given at pin number 1 and output from pin number 2. This is your output. Yes, now you can see if we are giving 0, okay, this is 0 and output is 1. If we are giving 1, output is 0. Okay, now we will see NOR gate. The IC of NOR gate is reversed. In this, pin number 1 and pin number 2 and pin number 3 are inputs, and pin number 1 is designated for output. Similarly, pin number 5 and 6 for inputs and 4 for output. Similarly, you can also use pin number 8, 9 and 10. 8, 9 inputs, 10 output. 11, 12 input and 13 output. Just like AND gate, OR gate or NAND gate, connect pin number 14 to plus 5 volt and pin number 7 to ground. Okay, we will see how truth table of NOR gate is verified in breadboard. This is your NOR gate IC. This is 7402. Now this is pin number 14 is connected to plus 5 volt. Pin number 7 is connected to ground. Now give input from 2 and 3. This is your input. Yes, this is input from pin number 2, and similarly from pin number 3 input. Now output from pin number 1. Now you can see the truth table. Okay, first give 0 0. In 0 0 output is high. Okay, this is your high. In 0 0 you can see these are low. 0 0. Next 0 1. In 0 1 output is 0. Next 1 0 output is 0. Next 1 1 output is 0. Through this method you can implement or you can verify all the logic gates. Just you have to remember pin number 14 is always connected to plus 5 volt and pin number 7 is connected to ground, and connection should be tight. Okay, and in all three cases, in A, B, C, D, these are vertically short, but this is horizontally sorted. You can connect either here, or you can also connect this here or here or here. Okay, it's all about first experiment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.